Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and intelligently designed cleaning tools on the market, the Dyson V11 Origin cordless vacuum. This machine takes everyday cleaning to an entirely new level of power and precision. Let's start with performance. The V11 Origin is powered by Dyson's digital motor that spins up to 125,000 revolutions per minute, delivering an impressive 185 watts of suction power. That means it can pull up deeply embedded dirt from carpets and dust from hard floors with ease. You get 3 power modes: Eco, Auto, and Boost, giving you the flexibility to clean everything from hardwood to high-pile rugs without wasting battery life. Speaking of battery, the Dyson V11 Origin gives you up to 60 minutes of fade-free power, so you can clean your entire home on a single charge. The smart dynamic load sensor automatically adjusts suction based on floor type, which means it's not just powerful, it's smart too. Plus, it's designed to handle pet hair effortlessly, detangling it as it cleans so you don't have to worry about clogging. The fully sealed filtration system traps 99.97% of microscopic dust particles as small as 0.3 microns, perfect for anyone with allergies or pets. And if you prefer lightweight versatility, it easily converts to a handheld vacuum for stairs, cars, and furniture. Build quality? Pure Dyson engineering, sturdy, ergonomic, and balanced. You'll feel the difference the moment you hold it. And emptying the bin is a one-click, mess-free process, no touching dirt, no hassle. In short, the Dyson V11 Origin is the ultimate mix of technology, suction power, and design. Whether it's daily dust or deep cleaning, it delivers professional-grade results in a cordless, portable form. If you want to experience the next level of cordless cleaning, check out the link below and grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest tech reviews every day here on Gadgetverse.